Oh shoot! It's like that, huh?
Street car takeover.
Let's go. Punisher skull on my truck, bro? Hell yeah. Tow mirrors on my truck, bro? Hell yeah. The light bar on the roof, bro? Hell yeah. Tell me what's up, boy.
We're in Tampa, and I just picked up my car.
My boy Greg Millie, he's a local guy to me, one of my good buddies. You heard it right, we are down here, we are in Tampa, picking up his C6 that he just got a set of heads and cam put in. But we are down here to pick up this car and also to hit up Street Car Takeover. We couldn't come get a heads cam C6 without also taking it to Street Car Takeover. We're gonna take it over to the dyno right now to see if we can get a baseline tune put in this thing. Let's go. Heads cam C6.
Bad car.
Dude, I'm pumped for you, man. That's awesome. Pre-dyno guess.
400.
400? I think a little more than that.
400.
400. That's baby soft.
I got the nitrous in the truck.
How's it sound? Baseline full, 445. All right, what do you think? First hit on the rollers and it does 444.
Still get the nitrous.
Oh, dude, spray the house down. Say less. Getting ready for pull number 2. A little more. We'll see. $455, $446. That pool lost a little power there. $446. Just about done here on the dyno. The car laid down, 455. We made 3 pulls. We're gonna do one more. We're gonna give it some substantial time to cool off to make sure that it doesn't want anything else in it, but it makes the sweep super clean, makes tons of peak power, but like I said, tons under the curve. So the car is gonna be an absolute riot to drive, even though it doesn't make astronomical amounts of horsepower. It's gonna make a ton of usable horsepower, which is great. Beyond pumped for this thing. It sounds so good. And you know, I've heard 1.5 million heads cam vets, but this one has a unique tone that you have to take my word for it. It sounds freaking rowdy, clean, it starts good, it runs good, and I think when we put the old plate kit on this thing, it's going to be a riot. 456. 456. So right on the money. It made 456. It's happy right there. That's you know, that's all she wrote. Right in that mid 450 range. 450 wheel and a vet with a ton of it, a long power curve is going to be ignorant to drive around. Stoked.
What do you think, dude? Holy crap.
Heads Cam
That's a
C6.
bad car.
Dude, I'm pumped for you, man. That's awesome. How's she sound, dude? Yeah, so I know it's dark, but Greg, this is the first time I've been in an actual vet. Like, I think I'm like maybe drove around the block with somebody when I was a kid, but this is my first time in a real vet, and this joker has got heads cam, converter, Tampa street car takeover.
It's crazy, dude.
Pumped, bro. Yes. Hey, we found a meet. We ain't drive 6 hours to stay home. Let's go.
Let's go.
Check out the race truck, though. Somebody really out here with OBS. I'm about it. Okay, so, you know, we saw some cars, but like, maybe this ain't the meat for us. I don't really know.
Everyone's got their own taste.
Yeah, that ain't my flavor. We had significantly more cylinders than every other car at that little spot. So maybe we gonna strike out. We'll find something else. Okay, so take two. We found the real meat. This is significantly better than where we were before. So we found it. I see a V, CTS V, Z01, some Ford Stars. Okay. So meat spot number 3. We've moved yet again. We've met some cool folks over at the first one, hung out a little while, checked them out. But we have bounced around to another spot just to see what's out, you know, just enjoying the night before it gets too late. We got a long drive back home tomorrow. Wanted to get out, stretch our legs a little bit, enjoy Greg's new Heads Cam C6 car. Just put some street miles on it, run it through the gears, nothing crazy. So we are out living the Tampa life, trying to find some more car stuff to do. We heard this is a good spot to be. We're a little early, but you know, maybe some cool stuff will roll in here quick. Let's see. I'm digging Z71. Thanks for watching. Keep digging. We'll see you next time.